Welcome to Parlé.
Hey.
Home to real conversations.
And the trending topics and the daily dilemmas.
Daily dilemmas. We are back with another guest. Today we're here with...
Rose New Woman.
Ooh, welcome, Rose.
How you feeling?
Good.
Thank you for coming on. Yeah. So first of all, why Rose New Woman?
Well, a lot of people knows me as Rose La Fleur,
but
this is not Rose La Fleur no more. It's a new woman.
Okay, I think we should toast to that.
Okay, cool.
Toasting to new woman.
Okay, here's cheers
to
Rose
the new woman.
New woman.
Well, we've got a lot to discover today about Rose, the new woman.
Obviously, for me, it's my first time meeting you.
Yeah.
So I'm interested and I can't wait to hear in terms of like your transformation. And of course, the reason why we've got you here specifically is because today's topic is snapback culture and pretty privilege. But I think we're going to start with pretty privilege and then go back into snapback culture and go into snapback culture, because I feel like we can definitely all relate with snapback culture because we're mothers. And then also we're going to talk about if we've had experiences with if we've had experiences with pretty privilege. Okay.
Bon, pour nangana moni Rose akoza na example bela opesa biswe na mamba pretty privilege.
Those days where like you're the it girl, you're always in VIP, you don't stand in queues, money's given out to you. You're just living. To be honest, you look good, and literally your looks get you where you want to be.
Ana raison Hilary pour moni basi biso tuandota na Rose na caméra. Pour biso tuandota na caméra. Eza bongo te.
Mais c'est pas non Syndie parce que te bele balinga ko ndima baninga na bango va citer. Mais yo vraiment zo ndima e.
Ye fona ndima e po aza penza o pena ba pesa ka pena exemple ya na catégorie basi kitoko aza, et puis na catégorie ya ba fio ba misalaka aza, et puis na catégorie ya basi ba mikipaka bien aza. Donc c'est normal, il faut écoutiser na ba place moko boy. Pour déjà ye moninga ndo tambola azaki dans na confiance mo boy kati na e o mi présence a mutu la sa so mutana a mi yebi donc yebi les aki ba fio ezapi so abimi pena zo mi yeba na anan.
Okay, so where did that confidence come from?
You know what it is? It's I can't even explain it, It's just it's something that you're born with.
Is that neti oramo?
Yeah. I didn't you know what it was? I didn't even know that people saw me like that or I was acting a certain way. It just naturally was me. But obviously people would tell me that, oh, Zana, moi, lo, mo, boya, mo, boya, étoile.
Yeah, moi, les appels étoile. Pour aux équipes, moi, charmante, donc, so, moi, charismé, mais, moi, mi, soit bête, en boye. Haki mystique, nana, on est petit trésor, donc,
Mais my thing is, so yebi déjà que, on a ma beauté na yo, if la coupe porte, was you playing on that? Was you using that?
Yeah, I can't lie. It's like even just ebine languages are different. Ils le quoi obina me obina te.
Young one.
So basi sigo fo bazwa ba.
Mais là qui se biso ba tips, n'est pas stratégie.
Il faut la. Il a le bien changé.
Non, à quoi changer na?
Yeah.
Mais moi ba stratégie.
Ésalaka, faut ésalaka.
Oui, moi si so zo kota na place faut mi yeba. O lati pena ke oza Mwasi. And way is Mwasi aloba mingi te, Asékaka pe mingi te. So to Asékaka mingi te but on hotel mysterious.
Obviously something that I need to learn because me I'm always busting out.
No. Donc secondé poème na nga ngwana. Donc that's the.
Mais non Asékaka boy mabe.
Asékaka bien.
Biso to se. Pourquoi Asékaka pona nga eza lokwa neti moi traitement mo bo na sepla non kasi eza fait.
Mais place na place
eza na place na. Yeah. Nga siko iloko na boloba wana ya ba charisme na ngote na bota manango. Et puis na longa ngo na kozalaka na ngote na ndimite na vie. Si pona nga transiter le pouvoir.
Syndie Boy. Changer ma stratégie parce que conséquemment déjà Syndie Boy. So with me, Asékaka. No, but I'm lying because
She's lying.
No, I'm lying. I'm lying.
Oye pas ça mutakaras ya
Yeah.
ezakati na
Asékaka, so naza à l'aise. And I feel like I have social anxiety. So, for example, so batu bazei bele na kanga kelu. Because I just don't want no one to approach me. I don't want no one to talk to me because I'm underlying quite nervous.
You know what? I can't even lie. That's another part that did play it as well. Because what it was, I'm a lovely person deep down, but I don't know what it was. It was just like when I step into a place, a lot of people just didn't like me.
Ngasko ndo sepela na yo.
Yeah.
Puna ndo muna ndo tambula mo. Izalo
Mais batu neti ba Syndie.
Because
Batu neti ba Syndie bazei bele te parce que Syndie azo ndima. So what I understand is that ba fie bele balinga ko ndima te que fiwa bien.
Siko ngana ndo sepela ne pe supwani na ndo mimo na ngamo kati.
Na ye, c'est ça.
Malgré ngasiko na sala ngo mingi na kiboji. I did it more when I was a bit younger.
So you never saw her as a threat?
Nah.
And mosquito boy, come on.
Yeah, I didn't see her as a threat. I saw her. I saw myself in her in the sense that ngamo pele nazaki younger, nazaki fiwana. Kwa izalaki so na ke place but basepela nanga. Et puis likolo nango nazaki na mo eloko mo boye ezalaka ke na iba ko dominer même ba parents. Oui, parents. Parents kolo ba pena ke ngai mwana na Syndie na dingete na mwana ngame na dominer na minute mpia pesi nga.
Hallelujah. Thank you. Ngape na zai bongo.
Kozaka bongo. Ngaskope
I'm telling
you.
Ba koma fana na yo.
Fan na yo. Et puis na zaki fiyo ezaki kie. Ba vie nyonso a quartier ba yaka pa nanga Syndie fia ne.
So you were the pimp.
Ya grave. Ya grave.
Obal sabato
Si lelo pe.
Si lelo.
Si lelo pe nazala nanga na ngoka.
Kimta malamu pe.
Okay.
Ndo nazaki na eloko nando die déjà le nando mona nando ba fiyo. Donc nazaki na espoir pour na vie na.
Amen.
Bon, yeah, an espoir for na vie now. So in terms of that pretty privilege, what would you say is it, what was you using it? What was the pros of pretty privilege for you?
The pros were like literally you're wanted, and where it is like whatever you want, you will get. And
So
where it was,
Shina
it's just like,
Vidal.
yeah, I can't lie, definitely. That's the number one thing that you'll definitely get. So, is a look at business to ke boîte. Jamais au temps aux anakiu, Q babe on est na mulongo, jamais au tema na mulongo. It was sad because Mikolana no banga ba avion.
Donc mata
no voyage te mais
You never got flew down?
no, that's the only problem. Kote na hataka yango wana. Mais nando
Rataba Dubai.
Rataba Dubai,
Rataba Miami.
Mais it's not too late.
It's not too late.
Nande nanga mo sikoyo.
Oh sala.
Okay, na mobile no na bana.
Yeah.
C'est ça. Pour le loto lo ba bien ki Rosa bala. Abala penazo mobile ni penazo.
And that's an amazing point because I feel like I want to get to that because déjà na communauté ésalaka que soki, fimo boy ayebana déjà que, she has her way and blah blah blah. Is that automatically que baobala ete they won't take her seriously. So we'll get to that.
Nzo ane batuande babala mbangu.
Batona babala ambangu.
Non, au balimbang parce qu'on a stratégie.
Yeah.
Parce que tout on a stratégie parce que te belé ba na beauté, mais ba yebi ko say la beauté. I don't think it's not take que maïlete mais ezaka que or not knowing how to like play the game.
Yeah.
You
That's
have
what it
to know
comes
how
down
to play
to.
the game.
You
Il
have
faut
not knowing how to play the game.
Yeah, it's true.
Faut totalisa tous les deux côtés. Omoni na obi nando mimo na trop epana ye. Yesu ko aza ezaki baja nde alobi bakoshina wana. Neti nga bwe na yebi yango te. Eza teke eza mabe. Non. Ezaki na yebi yango te.
Nga sipa nango makasi.
Ozomona.
Nga po nanga mwasi no so fa China.
Siko nga na ba experience wana te. Nga trop innocent do. Na omona kaka na okay na nga kaka. Siko yazaki mutaba stratégie mo boye do. Aibe how to use ba bien na ye wazaki nango pona kokoma na ba place oya linga akoma basically.
But the negative connotation is that you have to sleep.
No. That's where I could bring strategies. So, for example, so let me say an example. So, with me, I never used to get flued out because I was scared.
Yaba avion.
Yaba avion. Yeah. Mais, dans nos cas, Paris Mingi. So,
on côté na train ok pareil.
me très kate oh nini, your first class.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, girl.
So, me I never jamais na no kininga moko. Na kina mutu.
Okay, or
And
maybe
what it
camarade.
was, yeah, na me ma camarade. And what
Camarade,
it
on
was,
peut faire ça qui Togo.
yeah.
So on aligné non, c'est il faut battre bien.
Yeah, il faut oser bien.
So you used to choose your friends aesthetically.
I have to be honest, yeah.
Wow.
It sounds shallow now.
No,
but
bon. Is that shallow?
It's part of the
Would we say
game.
shallow? 100%.
No, but it's part of the game.
I don't think it's
because,
100%
for example,
shallow.
Someone also create keep. You have to make sure that you got strong players.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But
Yeah.
peut-être so you au raté koto yo, camarade pour récupérer.
Yeah.
I don't. Do you know what it is like? Shallow, maybe. You know, it depends on
No,
the
I
mindset.
think it's shallow.
feel like
No, I
it's got some
honestly,
shallow.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry. I honestly feel like it's shallow because if there's one
Man, you
thing,
know what it was? It wasn't even that, because I'm a decent girl. I'm not the prettiest girl in the world. You get what I'm trying to say?
Yeah, you are.
But but what it was, it's just that if you're around me, you just had to look good.
It's because you wanted
Like,
your
yeah,
people
I
to
wanted
is
you
that
to
right?
feel
like
Come
you
on,
set that standard.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's just like I would prefer like you can ask ba camarade nanga ebele. Ata ilamba ke ngama okut na lati yango te. So i camarade nanga is not looking bien. I would rather ke ye kutu ala tango even before me, just so she can.
So it was one of those ones. Let's all win kind of thing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
And I'm still like that now.
Yeah.
You get what I'm trying to say?
Yeah, because today is a big thing, isn't it? Like camarade now,
Yeah.
that's a standard now. Like if I'm winning, I want all my friends to win,
Yeah.
and that's in all aspects. I wouldn't really say today maybe we choose that. Okay, you're ugly, so you're not going to be my
No.
crew. But it's
Mais
like
There's no such thing
But
as.
the baby babongo.
Babongo. Yeah.
No, it wasn't not to that man.
So,
It was
Bajara
more
Nisa.
like it's not like there's no ugly girl in the world. Yeah.
Kutana na contradict,
Because,
mais
you know, everyone's a
Zamba
creation
sana
of God.
batandinga.
Mais il faut oser être présentable next to me.
That's what it is because
That's
Ata
just it.
Muto Aza.
And I don't think that's okay. That's different because I think my original question is like, do you choose your friends like according to aesthetics? And you said yes, and I said that was shallow. But if it is that if you want to be next to me, and you have to be presentable.
Yeah.
I think that's not shallow. I
Because
think that's
why am
just
I
the
going to look
standard.
good and the person that's with me?
That's where I was
that's
going
the
with it in terms of
Yeah.
like maybe it not being 100% shallow because it's a thing of, you know, so to kende somewhere to lingi biso to se presenter na nemo to bi
Yeah,
mate ke
yeah.
na lingo te as tant que camarade po okoma te na ede onde
Yeah, ke okoma.
basically.
Yeah.
But
And but the baby and what
Eh,
the-
but to live in
and what it was as well, bakamal pe ebele bakoma pe kulandanga because of that. Okay, alingia zana simalanga po azo amwa mwinda ana.
Yeah.
I think that's where it becomes dangerous.
Dangerous.
So the whole thing is dangerous because
Yeah.
Okomi Siko that one, mi bali ba olando pon intérêt.
Yeah.
So first of
Before
all,
that.
they're coming to you, pona beauté now. Maybe they're not even giving themselves the chance to actually get to know you as a person.
Yeah.
Secondly, also ba camarade, ba fipe, bazo, you know, they're coming into your life. You know, jalousie is anakati.
Yeah.
You know, it's just one of them like
I've got stories even like
not genuine friendships.
Yeah. So it, like with me, it come na niveau ke kama na mo babo kalanga maladi.
No.
Wow.
Yeah. That's when I started getting closer to
God.
God.
Mm.
So to Kinda, I had I think it was my 21st birthday because I used to like most of my birthdays I'll get a club and host an event. Yeah, because I wanted to get paid to have a party. Yeah, so like my friend came over, Azui Lambalanga, Alatiango, and then after to keep it feti to Zungi. Natongo buena muna, like just on my leg there was just a bit of a rash. And it was summer as well, so I thought, maybe Izake a local swinga na butu, beer, whatever. And then after, like my mom was like, "Namo ne loko yo, all about is a rash, minga namo nango normal te." And after I was just like, "Mom, no, don't worry, it's definitely just a rash." Minui ebeti mukosa zoto mubimba. I was just like, God, what is this? Base wana mobile nanga ameminga na hospital. They said, we don't know what this is. Maybe pesinga kisi, maybe kiss wana ya chicken pox.
Yeah.
Oh, na shango, maybe it'll get better, but they don't know what it is. Zungandaku, it just started getting worse. So It started there, then it started spreading.
Oh, wow.
And then after, it comes to Sukutu, Nase Nabiso, Mbasi. And my mom was just like, what's that? No, yebsa, yo. Is a low, is a normal thing. And one of her friends was just like, Photo Binga, Pasteur, because it was just getting worse. And then there was even a night where to kill Peter, because it was like every midnight I had it would just heat up.
What's it called? Ésalaka na
minuit.
Malade on my bed.
Yeah.
On est quand même kechu. Asékaka era concert famille. Loba na oya.
And then
Signifie ka loba mo kama fali.
And then there was a time where Kamahada ngo oya salenga bongo like she called me, Rozo za bien galbi, yeah, na za bien mena okende hôpital mingi mikolo po na ebite every so ikoksi ka minu so ka beti. Ba mikosa mo boy sanga is normal te. So za Kamahada, are you not going to come and visit? You usually come and visit all the time. I think alinga ka sala confirmation. Esimbi. And then after to bring up pasteur, and the pasteur le bike Rose osambelaka, I'm always in and out. I bite you have to give your life to Christ, and then elokoyo sila. I see mama ke knows what we'll leave to sambela on the oil, and if you just rub it on her, she'll be fine. Me yeba ke ko pesa su bilamba na yo e pa ba camarade to Asalio boy.
Wow.
Money.
Wow.
Yeah. So I clocked on, but at first I didn't even know it was her. But there was a time that I was sleeping and I had a dream that she was talking inside my wardrobe.
Oh.
And telling me, ésalaka yo, no baby sayo.
Money. Bon, pour nga na moni ke likambo ke très sérieux na moni photo mela pona likambo. To mela pona likambo po en tout cas un vrai témoignage donc était biso sous bien donc
be careful na ba camarades. So zan étoile na ozana ba beauté na neti rose, neti ba Syndie, neti ba Hilary boye. Ça be careful na ba camarades. Parce que oye mi tema batute and don't share your clothes.
No.
Surtout wana ezeloko ba mama kala bando bitela biso c'était.
Yeah.
Ba mama na biso ba beta pena c'était en tout cas na bois ki ma pepe Thérèse là. Ye pena bando ko beta c'était na likambo na ki ka babilamba na ba camarade ko kabula bilamba eza elo mo. Eza ba bilo mo donc ba mama ba loba ngo tote ma na onsko siko. To ki témoignage.
Yeah, no, it's crazy like you know, we're hearing it, but it's so deep. And you know what I mean? And it's like, Mikoku to money about TikTok, one of the girls, someone died. My comrades, Basali Mabe. Was it like a couple of days after her wedding or something? Like, so, but like, I just feel like, but vraiment komi mite mama be.
Yeah.
So we have to be so.
That's
so
why
careful.
I thank God ke na viva bavinanga prior. Because so is a sikoyo.
Imagine.
Ba poison.
Poison déjà.
Because ba mo ki spirituel ba zoyote. Ba le baka ke penza.
Physiquement.
Asilaka.
Do you feel like now you'll get to a point where, you know, in terms of now you're married, so talk to us now in terms of like that transition where, you know, you were the it girl, you know, you were getting all these privileges.
Yeah.
And how did you end up being married?
So what it was...
So all these privileges, you were in a relationship?
On and off.
Right, so it was on and off. Okay.
Yeah, on and off relationship. And what it was just that you're going to the club. It's the same old thing. And what it was, even becoming this pretty privileged girl, it took a lot. Like, I went through certain things in the past to even make me numb towards men.
Okay.
Is that by experience?
Yeah. Yeah, so is that my come bele? So what it was... Yeah.
Nzokande yazo ba bien et buti na ba histoire mo boy donc ya kati kwa koma place akomi wa
so would you say like by traumas
you know
donc me kande pa mibali donc afashaki so to bito ke no pena bien comme na eza afashaki.
So where did it come from?
Oh, that's a long story.
One
story
of
for
the
another
quotes
day.
is
Yeah.
strong.
Yeah.
No problem. So now you're married. How do we get there?
So yeah, it was just like same old thing, talking about boys, to be maka, and it's just like also zwa ilo mote.
Charismé zati.
Yeah. Oluka moi love more boy na mutema. Oyo, po abakamahad ba osaluka ba mabe. Osaela bango nyonso. Olinga pe baza loko ayo. Me bolingo zate.
Is that not genuine?
Baz-
Yeah.
genuine love is that
Zate.
bazaka wana pona
Ba intérêt.
ba te na bango. So I was just like nakomo yo sabakama vi oto sala.
Eme
Elo
mabiso
eme
nulle part.
mabiso nulle part.
Yeah.
Now look at elo mo boy oyo na zongo te awa. You just go back home to the same problems. So and I was just like nah. And thank God na zaina mama mo boy ya ba prière. You know pesanga kana liboso when I was in those lifestyle. And you know what it sometimes is I pay esprit mo boy pay elatio.
Of course.
Like sata sa la basi kitoko ebele.
No,
To
100%.
be honest.
100%.
Amoni ki ozana étoile mo boy.
Yeah.
No, il faut na kote la.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah,
definitely.
exactly.
So
Definitely.
it was just like it was time that I was just like no, fona luka elunganzambe, and I started talking to my mom, telling her mom I'm tired of this lifestyle. It's time for me to change, and then
Like, you just wanted
it's
stability.
and it just went smooth.
It smoothly transitioned into where you are now.
Yeah.
That's really good.
Okay. So I feel like, there's the pretty privilege, and now I want to go back into snapback culture. Do you know what I mean by snapback culture?
Like just getting yourself back together after
Back
having
together.
children.
Okay, cool. So snapback culture is, once again, married, mothers, and we still have the pressure of looking good. So how has that process been for you in terms of becoming a wife,
Yeah.
becoming a mother, and still making sure you look good?
It's been hard. I can't lie. Very hard, because where it was as well with me, I've had children back to back.
Right.
So like just
okay.
a year apart.
Wow, okay.
Yeah. So mentally as well, sometimes other people think you look fine, but you're looking in the mirror saying, no, I don't look. And what it was as well with me, because I'm so used to, Rose is this, Rose is that.
The pressure.
So it was pressure. So it hasn't been easy, but I'm getting there. Literally, it's just maybe a month or two that people will say, maybe, no, but you're looking good last year though, your birthday, this. But deep down inside me,
You're more not
just-
committed.
yeah, I don't feel like I'm...
You know your levels. You
there
know
yet.
where you're at.
Yeah.
Obviously, apart for people, biso batalibanda le olubi to mona to ba.
Yeah.
Rosas a récupérer mais
Mhm.
yo mo kati na mona no na komi pena place ngana ninga ozala te.
Yeah.
Siko eske eza ka elo mo bezala na ba makanti na biso ke photo ko maka place moko boye. Ondire biso mo pe to mitsa ka pression wana
Yeah.
epa na biso moko.
You put
Yeah.
that pressure on yourself?
Nah.
No?
Because no, I don't. And also, now lobaki neti pona nga, I feel like binom to bo vivre moi makamwana ba snapback culture please ke biso.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nga ten mako epoko biso to na obota. Snapback culture za ika ba beti o ma moto. Bakangyo libum na liputa. Ozongi na kibu mwasi za kiteke. Yes, taille faut ezala bien mais ezala ki na degré o ekomi lelo te.
Yeah.
À l'époque, il y avait biso to ando tala ba danseuse ba wera ba danseuse ba kofi to mona bango pena ba fio biso to nito za lwa bango. Ko bomba ki si wana ba bumine. Ko snap ba ko chango uta. Ngana na posa na za libum ne lo wa linda pole na obina eninganaka. Donc
Was that bongo?
Yeah.
za kibongo.
And at the time, mi baba kongole baza olinga mwalibumu.
Mwalibumu
Yeah.
mwa mwasi mwanzo so magaba ndo ke na ko fo mwasi
Yaba no be ba vitamine mingi, eh?
Yeah.
to mena ba biloko wana neti nga boye mukwape na konda na yara na munene te fona mina vitamine donc ba biloko wana bineza ki for us tozaki na pression o eza lelo ti
Yeah.
lelo pena pression eza
You know,
makasi
Bakabanzoto is like a trend, to be
I think
honest.
so.
Because it was like there was a time where people really wanted skinny girls.
skinny girls
And then then they wanted fit girls. And then it's like, but Nicki Minaj, but yeah, moi, still a little bit fake, but Siko Komi, slim fake.
slim fit
So it's just...
it's all a trend but yaki lelo pe komo ke mingi pena ndenge tozolinga ko bima na bilamba
That's the point.
moi ça na posa lera lati bilamba pe ndenge to mona ndenge zovana na nzoto evanda obongo pe yango pe mtezo yesu na ba bamakambo mingi.
Yeah,
Mais pour nga question na nga na tuna ezaka ke est-ce que pour na yo yo ozalaki no na bavi wana ke obotaki te no yo moko wanda otala emsu bafi oyo babota omituna mpo ozoba yango ye aboti amitiki boye ndeni wanda omona okende te emsu lo mwa simple motu so aboti azonga donc mpo lelo lobi ke eza pasi omituna siko à l'époque na yo lere yo wanda omona bafi oyo baobota emsusu amitiki ozali kojuge bango
non ko c'était abla moi so point nini amitiki bazai boy point nini this and for elo mona no banga na makama bota mingi ya ezai kena no mona mobali so ka moi sa boti bazai na bango na couple bien ya na no banga makama bota na mona ka couple bazai bien so ka moi sa boti akomi kosala buzo be ka moi ni kutu moi sa ozwa zemi eza kuma bani abandi mobulu I used to be so na no banga likambwana makasi so
do you think that is like so par exemple Mwasi aboti Mwasi you know is it a thing where a perdaka boti na e?
I don't think I how do you say apedaka boti na e but confidence mo boy ekita mo muke and mi bali to be honest balinga Mwasi azala confident au moins mo bala yebso ke ozaka bien mais yozo mi mona bien te ako peke mi bala o ba smart te o ba mayele te ako mona let me move to the next one
bino pena boboti na époque malgré nga mwana ngasuka na never ndenge na mwana suka mwa muke pression ne bandaki mais na bumeli pe na kati na ngote biso oboti na loyenge
bon
toboti na loyenge oboti na oboti
bon
oboti no boti bon balambili opondu olie mobala tandeli ombetu oboti donc mais ya lelo penza bwana raison pression peneza makasi.
For me it's been so difficult. I feel like this has been probably the most like difficult season of my whole entire life. Like,
trust me.
I think once again with the whole snapback culture is that avant ils avaient na ngoka moi tantine mo na église ati mo commenter ya uzo ya munene ça okonda kind of thing. But now is like na ba réseaux sociaux post na Instagram utali star ye déjà salamu alaikum na ya salamu alaikum bota to snap back quickly and then you're looking at yourself après utala ningo za ki liboso and like with me my body completely changed. Like completely and it's like sometimes people have not been as honest in terms of why. Some is that genetics. Like genetically, baboti bazongi na bango pe normal. Mais pate bele ba na bango bongote. Netinga na zana ngapi bongote because I look completely different. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? So I think that in a way, it's snapback culture is really unrealistic.
It's unrealistic. And you know what's helped me? I've had to sometimes remember myself as Rose Lafleur.
Okay.
Because when I was Rose Lafleur, Mobala ta Zwilinga Mbanda. But most of the girls, Mobala Nanganos Zwilanga, they were shaped. To Payaza Mulai. Milai, thin waist, and I never used to care.
You see?
I never used to care at all. No, mo na pena na faith na ebike no so na mobile nanga. And then moi si wana kuta pesa un respect bele because no mo na eme na mo na ete.
Mono danger.
Thank you.
So it's all mind games.
It's all mind games
and to me to blame na mitu na biso ke ozo mita bo eloko na pesa la na ngo kaka ata osalisi nzoto ngo ozaka ozonga na miwa wana obandisu ko mita lesusu ke koto na ze su na isengo na ngote donc I don't think it's ending. It's never ending.
No, it's never ending.
It's not ngolo mo bo go sila na ngo.
Yeah, especially biso basi.
And I think for example when you have like really bad body dysmorphia, like whatever you do you're still going to it's really a thing where ata o salama you know or salisi or whatever it's a mind thing. You definitely have to figure out whether it's a therapy, you know, or whatever it is, affirmations. You confiance en soi. You know, confidence.
You know what I've been doing as well? Put something sexy on it.
Okay.
Ita na miwa some bakaliso asika. O ezobongisa nzoto na yo. Especially elo pezo ede ngai obviously so o melisi ba mabele ekita mom ki eza ndenge za ekite. So ozolata ba o esipota pena mabele. Ebando formé.
Ebando zonsango.
Oyebi ka ndenge tolata ba waist trainer pona ede yo. Yango pe edaka. So let's pena good quality bra. Okay, now go measure your breasts as well. You know tala. Suki, you know what size you are now, whatever. Lata ba wired bras. Bien. Au moins pena mabe no pena ekomiko formé.
You know what you said is so important in terms of it all being in your mind. I remember, obviously, avant Nabota, I was like size 8, size 10. Don't Naboti, I remember, no lata jin is I'm a size 10. You know, it took
it's
me
in your
long.
head. Yeah.
Sometimes
you don't see it though until you start wearing your clothes.
And in terms of bras, because obviously with me, like, that was the main thing. Like,
yeah.
I think like 3-4 months. The Melissa thing, I was like, hey, my belly,
you're lucky. You're lucky.
So I was like, I'm not breastfeeding.
My son was on it.
For how long?
7 months.
7 months, good to 7.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
C'est très important dans le sens nini même à table le quoi bakale so ba sous-vêtement alobelo mo est important.
C'est important. Yeah.
Et zape na sous-vêtement o eza ya taille ya mutu.
Yeah.
Eza na sous-vêtement musu olata même ata biso bato to salisa banzoto sangwe kenda oyo kangoto. Yo kangoto. Bon. Et zape na Posango pele kende. Yo kango. Oyo kat. Oyebi. Oza bien informé. Et puis oyebi que na kende sous. Bon, wana to solo next time. Même ata bongo. Eza na eloko peka ebongisa nzoto na.
Yeah.
Même ata na ba sous-vêtement na. Omuntu eza na sous-vêtement so light et compliments pena shape ango oyo. Ponga lo ba docteur apesi to kena bena na futela mbongo na sombango. Et complémentant. Mususu po moni e baby sian. Déjà très important bon si connaître na kana yo, ozana you know naturel ou tu bota. O lobelo a bien somba ba sous-vêtement, o meki o tali na miroir o comparer pour e complement et lo kwango yo nzoto ngo ndenge échanger. Yo po lobelo mo bien, nzoto échanger mais ozo miye bati. Ozo mo ezalo kwa muta ando ki me a miye banite ka ando.
Delusion. I was delusional.
Ozaki delusion.
Ngana omi mona 10.
Ozana
na zaka na 10 mais nzo na koma déjà na 12.
Non
boy à 12.
Donc on s'entend déjà des mais yo tikalika na moko.
Tikalika na komi déjà wa.
Tu vois qui au combien d'étapes pour comprendre que et puis ezaki na eloko ni yango esala pour otimbela bena ki te en tout cas nzoto échanger.
Normalement tout ça ni so to boti to koma bataba leggings.
All the time.
Pour ça ebenda na ka.
Leggings. Tant siko e komi OK, faut moi sortir na moi na bébé pour la tama pantalon moi siko jineko tati e matati.
E suki wa.
O lati moi chemise
et ça li moi Vandi bente maboko to kaka mo.
Okay, problem is that day PLT next day delivery. Let me go up a size. Go up a size. Would be me. You know man I like
Simbi.
Simbi pe. I'm comfortable now.
That's when you slowly start a reality check. No, come on, I do. When someone asks you what size is it? Size 12.
C'est important pour yo babiloko na babiloko ba experience pour honestly speaking half of these things I didn't go through it. I mean not even to say I'm perfect. I feel like I'm just I just go with the flow. Yeah, because some of us we just go with the flow. Et puis liko na ngope like Hilary said by jeans nga boti na zaki wheat na tirele pika wheat.
Ah bon?
Biso to asko le contraire. Nga na zaki le contraire batu. Même ndeka bato baluka bakonda biso bato tozaki mike to ndo luka to ya minene
nga siko na zai bongo
yo zaki bongo
siko I want to go backwards now kena
koma siko na tama boko molingo zonga biso pena taki ba open na tokena
nga siko so na botaka na konda nde makasi I lose a lot bien osiko nga siko libumu kaka ekoma penda plein that's what I want
déjà c'est bon.
Privilege.
Yeah, c'est bon.
Snapback
Okay,
culture.
let's go to a dilemma. Parce que biso toza tellement tova na mokili bat bazanga ba problème te. Ba ila biso ba problème na bango. What's our first dilemma, Syndie? Bazanga ba problème te
Toi,
na.
tu biso problème on a évité ce qui est. Bon, Mélana. Il a dit yo pe Mélana, tout Mélana pour
Is that grave, hein?
Yeah, grave. Et puis logo non moi net réponse pour ta pas Rose pour. Non mais ko na change nazo linga na change na kena ona na lingala.
Changer. Oh, okay. No,
Okay.
Na kena ona lingala po.
Yeah, kena ona lingala.
Batu na biso bazana ba Congo Brazza ba Congo ya Congo démocratique de Congo. Batu na biso bazana ba Paris ba France so na bina ba na anglais. Ba comprendre.
Ba comprendre. Parce que ko sunga pe bango.
Ba ko sunga pe bango. Dale ma mutatinde zaki na mobile na nga to vanda ne to zala bien. Na kena obo to zala bien, fola kena to zala bien. Garçon pa kabara na ye.
I want to hear this question.
Akabara na ye. So pe na lambi te jou wana alambi. Et puis akendo tika ba na classe. Donc on nyo se segeli fois sala ka musala kenda ka tout wana c'est bon.
C'est bon. Mais on a problème.
Parce que le problème na ya zo bimisa solo moko.
Ah ouais.
Ana tunga moko o ezake Mwasi. Aokoka suko sipo tete.
So yaki na sima o be bandeli.
Et siko place ana siko alobite. Siko obi mobile on te ma place.
Toko réfléchir.
Obi siko mobile on peut te mazane mutu malamu. Azaba mibalo pena za moi trop fragile. Neti bana mboko na lobango tout le temps bazaba fragile.
Na mibali ya?
Basi na mibali bana popi ba chinois bilo ba chinois basala. Sikoyo aomona nenga oloba na mobali teke aobimisa odeur solo.
Mobali na yo.
Swazo tuna asala nini.
Mobali na yo. Yeah, facile.
Yeah. Mobali ya fragile.
Obe aza sensitive. Aza muto aza so touché ka ai. Osimbi koto ai.
You know how hard it is for me bikisa.
Me yo siko ke na only.
You know what it was like? Guy be mutuma boy ando lumba penza.
Ayo boy bi bato
Yeah. Na vive.
Otanga komboti.
Non. Mais siko ye e koma ki avant ye na mobile ne basala love.
Yango scenario.
Tanga mo bien te faut que na.
Elobi
Nazo
banga place wana.
Yeah.
Okay. Bobi ere comme place à l'amour. Solo aokokati.
Pardon, akokata.
Mobala zo dégager.
Aboti ndeni na mobala.
C'est que mobala zaki no beto ki lorsque na scenario em so mobala zaki bien. Ayo beba. Akomi ko dégager donc ao dégager moi c'est pena obe zo kokati.
I don't get that. That makes no sense to me. Why? Because bovanda anda ko. So sûrement there's a standard. Par exemple, mobile now. Par exemple, si on a un mobile na moni, na sai constat premier jour à suko était deuxième. Baby go mange.
Hey, but you know what? Some people ba soko la rame bazaka na solo naturel. Yeah, of course. That girl no soko la. Mais azaka soko mobile na ya koma ike avant po aya oyebisa biso ke nga so to sala love mobile na yebisa nga ke na kino soko la va to banda. Mais eda po abiso moto ka to mona pena ke changement et comme azasu na solo anate.
Okay, so mobile now
solo nini solo.
That's about to ask so is that par exemple solo when it comes to them having sex but otindia ke usukola is that solo assez to is that solo yanzo
nzoto mobimba.
So pesa solo maybe so is that solo assez maybe as infection mo boy.
Yes, so infection ba fungal infection.
You know what is like this is why we need friendship. To that besoin by friendship na relationship. So that friendship na relationship. O bangelo mo te pona yepsa mo aza mo bali na yo bobote na ebana. Yo mo kuto yepsa ke po o bangela te ke batum sus ba yo ka mo bali no solo ana libanda. Is that bien temps?
Exactement.
Il faut ozwa courage wana ya ko build friendship. Communication is very important in a relationship. Yeb say papa solomo boy ebi mananzoto na yo na sepe na ngote.
Kotuna ngani. Ba fia lelo tellement ba koma mitema mabe. Ali mobala tika neka na solo ala po. Kwa keli banda.
Ngalinga kutu ba te nga penza.
I hear it.
Nga sepela penza.
Ba mitema mabe.
Ngalinga
zala na solo na papa po.
Na basi be ba komolesa mbana ba omba fufu po mobala ko makamu ne.
Po ba boheli banda.
Ngalinga mbutu ngalinga pe ke. Olula mobile nanga esa nga bien.
Nah, sometimes I'm joking. No, I'm not joking. Like,
ba fi ba koma.
Mobile nanga po esa langa ba moi.
Ya lingi mobali ne ba ki makaye. Bisu kutu ya sujet de prière.
Te nga
Te alinga zo soa.
Que kimba mobile nanga me kutia ikati.
Bon mona te ke sala bino mo elengi mo boy so ba olula mobile no. No. Maybe because I'm analinga ba risk.
Olinga ba risk,
yeah.
No, I feel like kote bolingu na linku to risk wana te la.
Te nga si sala nga bien.
Osili.
Sala nga bien.
Oui now.
Yeah, koluna.
Nga sala nga.
Sala go bien so ba.
Na mo apea
You're confident in it.
Someone at DM like that.
Yeah, solo.
Yes.
See, that's new, you know. There's all different type of people in this world.
Yeah, I like stuff like that.
Rose are too confident in herself.
I need your confidence, baby girl.
Oh.
Yeah, I need it.
You.
You know what it is? Sometimes like flee temptation. Baby, kima.
I know, but...
Because at the end of the day, if mom... Okay, par exemple, yo yebi que... Batineli DM parce qu'elle a question. Baba kamara bifuli. Bois bien. Vous comprenez? Mkobo swana mkobo za bien te. Boy, batineli DM abetoli soloti.
You know what? Nga sala mukina ngana nzambe, you know. Nasaya mo mukina ngana nzambe. Like that's why I'm so free. Mobile like batuna. Oh, mobile no be maka. Oka mo bazu ate because I can't lie. Mobile nga zaki more popular when it comes to women. Yeah. Nasaya mo mukina nga is like what I don't know. I can't do nothing about it. Menzamba linga mingi jamais otika nga na position mo boyeke. I put me to shame. Never. Wherever he goes, nzamba olanda So selling my be ngaza mosi malamu. I'm the best thing that you can ever have. Yeah? And I believe in that. So you saw your baby see. Italy yo.
Mais wana siko ukotsa on a prière.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. I totally hear it. Like, ukutsa on a prière, dans le sens que, you know, like, I don't want you to miss.
And stuff like that, you don't even really need to put in prayer, especially if he's your husband. Nzambe ebi da ki fwa batela. So, there's also sambe like nzambe batela mobile blah blah blah. Nzambe da lobi ki he doesn't like unfaithful people. And what is that kanyoso nakasi? Is that take you salaba? Is that take you come fast or whatever?
C'est oiseau la conseil na biso.
Sorry.
OPC conseil parce que nga pena OPC conseil.
So conseil is que friendship, build a friendship. But na yo for that confident yo yebse li kamunyo so point. It's not nice. But mo boy yebse li bana ki na mona ki pa bat baza beg you pay mobile no by ke ayebi ke mobile limba solo me alobi ke mutu so yebse ke mobile no.
C'est mobile ke ne obima na mutu so. Po ba be azo dégager air kaka ya.
Yes, c'est ça est tweet c'est as une infection.
Yeah. Pour pas qu'il traitant ouais.
Yeah, pas qu'il traitant.
Yo conseil
nanga is delivery.
Delivery?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's one thing that's
right
key. I love que mobile est sensible, mobile est fragile. So sometimes, so you're dealing with someone that's sensitive, fragile, is that kind of présenter information. So I look like one strategy, whether it be, you know, you gas him up first, or pay him compliments. Meh. And it goes back to what Rose is saying. Having that friendship where you guys can talk. But I'm on Mingi ba couple ba Congolais bazana friendship thing. But having that friendship is important. So where it is that you feel comfortable. Because for me, I would think of it like this. If it is that I'm in that situation where I'm married, I live with my man, I would want avant ba finga liban na mobile na ayebisanga. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? I'll see that you have my best interest. Mais because I'm also sensitive, ngapina fragile because I'm the type of person like if you say something, I hold on to what people say to me. Do you know what I mean? So if it's delivered to me in the wrong way, it's done. Do you know what I mean? So for me, it's like how you deliver the information to me. Like, Hilary, you know, you know how you know that perfume. I want you smelling like that all the time. You know, like. Just know how to deliver the information to me. So I look at a strategy of how to deliver the situation, kind of making sure that the shock is absorbed, because it's not nice hearing that, you know, ulumba solo or uzabiente.
And men are so sensitive more than women.
Let's go pona nga izakake. Ilunga na ulinga na tuna na scenario izake. Ndenge nzamba sala biso bato apesa biso ba sens nyoso nzoto. Namona ava mutayo ko solo.
Like for example,
ubieza komesana tellement na solo na yo moko ya mabe. So eza tobi infection. Eza lowa mutu moboye infection ezala nde nini? Oyeba ozaki na iloko ana te biso basi toza atu.
Toyebi.
Dikuka boye o senti moins changement. Oyeba ava muta yo ko solo. Yo mo mi yo kinanu solo. So to kena na ninga infection pona mwa mbalo.
Yeah.
Et pour c'est les mois baliwe, tout les mois ba stratégie tout e ba non so ke kozani. Fami yo ka solo non. Ava Mwasi, ava batu. Yo mo nanu, yo mo. Pour ça la soto za boy, yo mo pena so bezo mata, o yoka.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah.
Dating out before someone tells me, oh, he look like I'm more the
yo mo
yeah.
So yeah,
Azuki cité.
Ngape yo pour
ça.
Non mais non.
Et confusion.
Maybe Azuki sike and sacrifice na ezake.
Sacrifice ya bimansolo. Oza raison. Ya za na monde wa. Ayepi ba makamba ba monde wana.
Yeah, of course.
Because he's come out of nowhere.
Oui.
Yeah. He wasn't like that before.
Pour infection ésalaka. Soki ozaki mutu normal avant infection oye ba kina bimasa sauter. Soki changement toza to nzoto. Même atako toka ezala eloko mabete. Congolais. Kotoka ezala eloko malamu na nzoto amu. Faut toka ka tende problème qui n'est pas GP ba check. Faut kotoka ko dégager ba lo wana mabe ba toxins na kata nzoto fi bima na soyi ebimaka na ba mapeka ebimaka pa. Ils libéré ba toxins ba toxins nzoto. Toka
Siko balinga
kotoka te ba komisa ngo si. Ba komisa ngo si jako finga na ye
lamba. Ola te lamba oza kana mwata.
Oui,
I'm telling you.
Which I understand where nde ba Congolais ba kiena ngo ba kiena na sens kem suso mutatoki obe mutatoka be nde tokoma oyoka tokoma ozwa annonce chaque sama. Bosomba pe ba dodora to comme annonce wane comme chaque sama. To boya ngote oui, ba tu soupe na baza salité ba miti. Mais to comprendre que kotokeza normal mutu sera bimi na moi atoki ezate ko kutenga na muninga na nzela abima kem su na tonga pompa en esprit ya sukola ki. Na journée atoki solo mapeka okutani na ye oki opanzie sango. Totika eza malamu te.
Ba miti ya mabe.
Esala ma photo changer en mindset. Those are trop backwards.
And the worst thing about me, I'm sweaty.
Exactly.
Yeah, me, since I had the children, it's even gone worse. I don't know why. Now, out like just there, I'm sweating.
Exactly. Ozo mwana to normalize. Eza malamu mama. So bimsa ba toxin. Otika na bilo mabi na nzoto. Yomozo ngiyangenga. Ba toxin ezo
bim man.
Yeah. Donc
c'est carrément parce que non.
Otoka
imagine.
Ozo mwana. Donc siko pona muto yonde na umuna solution tozule lante.
Nga pesi solution. Nga kutu na pesi
solution. Baso la na ninga malamu.
Na ngo delivery ya bien. Lambelaye, chérie
apropécier sango.
Sango bébé.
Na chambre.
And the thing is, you know, for me how I say it is that when you guys are a couple, you're married. Problem na comme problem
na yo.
Oui, obligé.
Si y a pas lumba solo, yo pas lumba solo.
Exactement.
Solution together. So delivery.
Yo kutu mtu emso okay kotike o ide o lukile pe ba research o lukile o kine.
Yeah.
Bébé, sukona o guyumo koko tape o niki.
O lukile ba solution yeah.
Mi bal bazo a BV.
I don't know.
Baza
nini?
BV. You bad was a BV.
No.
But sometimes if you're too clean, like
Yeah.
you
Too clean,
wash,
you get BV.
Yeah, you get BV. So maybe he's washing
Because it's a balance
himself.
of your alkaline and acid.
Yeah.
It has to be balanced.
You know what?
They can't.
Yeah.
You can't have more acid. You can't be too acidic or too. Do you know what I mean? It has to
Yeah,
be
so
balanced.
maybe-
That's where BV comes from.
Maybe I don't know if men
but
get
there's a
BV.
lot-
Maybe
there's a
it's
lot of
BV.
reason. Like for example, I recently read up like because I drink a lot of coffee. Nga go me la café 2-3 fois na journée.
Mothers.
But apparently, is it a mother?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
I never used to like
Me
coffee, but
too,
now
now.
it's my best friend.
But apparently,
Mm.
coffee is sungate kuna si.
Ah.
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
Apparently, makes like gives you better orgasms, but apparently, when it comes to smells,
It's not the best
it's
thing.
not the best thing.
Yeah, because it could just be playing with your again, like I said, the acidic and the alkaline. When it's imbalanced, that's where the BV because BV comes
in.
with smell.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
BV comes with a very bad odor.
That's what I'm saying. Maybe it could be BV.
Mais même moi, c'est soit BV. Oh me, I don't know. Anyways, bon, papa.
Yeah. Maybe a year be
Maman solo la na papa.
Mm.
Ozui conseil ya balobi solo na ndinga bien. Kende na chambre, avant kende na chambre, il faut banono. C'est là il arrive faut banono na journée. Là bulamki na tongo bandi ya ko chérie à partir à tongo breakfast in bed. Ozo kende malembe 12h yele sous moi oba comme benga mikolo brunch bana mboko. À l'époque,
French toast, silly moi chocolate,
French
peut-être moi
toast.
strawberries, moi.
Après na butu susu moi c'est moi ndakala moi nini moi mbisa oka soko sa nini.
Ndakala.
Ndakala te izabani ya baluba yo za mluba
Te mukongo.
ndakala na yo ka za baluba
Ah, so muluba tenga pena koba na muluba te loba fumbwa.
fumbwa moi fumbwa et puis na on est faut ça
Et na likabu na safu.
na dikabu na ça faut mélange moi fumbwa koto okota no pe moi mbisa ponda madesu fumbwa otepe moi pondu nyonso olambika tous les dish oza ya malamu ebi papa sepla nango ça ile semulo te wana bongise o memie na bafu moniki
Yo moko kai. Si onika ozo yembele ba nzembo.
Après okende na chambre obenge no na kombo lungula so ando benge trésor be so ando benge Kevin ou be so ando benge Fabrice olunguli ba kombo na nyoso ta mpande mo benga kaka bébé chéri aigle nyoso yo
Aigle had to get in there.
aigle
had to get in there.
Osoko elle people wall nyoso benga e après olobi nesko makambo za nango bezo loba na eke osko obimisa ngondeni pokeba mo siso ke vi obimisa tsunga siko yo pesa kasi oloba ondeni.
How would you say?
Nga mesema loba makama love na anglais. Dana no. Sasa na lingala.
No, just how would you say it in English?
And in English.
Even stuff is just so simple, babe. You know, like whenever we're about to, there's like some type of smell
okay
that I'm smelling down there. I want to suck it. So can we clean it properly?
Hey.
So ça ba invité moko ya ba
be makasi. Ilage komi tu na oyope fo loba ndingo expliquer papa. Hey, ngande kota na loba. Yo ke na onde.
She said suck it nini what?
Sko tunanga sko ya saindeni. Apesi su mobali courage.
Sentiment.
Kenana posa na koma wana. Azamu ta stratégie botama nango.
Because she said it's easy.
Oh, ai pa lobe ona facilité nyonso ire yo pesa pe yo. Okay non neni.
Nga siko na okay na waka. Like, babe, you know when you smell like it makes me wanna like, you know that smell turns me on in it. So
okay, like,
but
nice.
recently it's not been that. Like, we need to find a way of getting it back to that. Do you know what I mean? So it's like kind of like giving it the state of this is temporary. Like I just want it to. Do you know what I mean? Like I'm still feeling you, but there's something not right at the moment. Like let's get it back to what we're not like what we used to.
Yeah.
Basically. So I don't want it to make it seem like ozanuka bon, ozanuka solo. Like there's something not right at the moment. You're more like, and then ask the question. Oh, you're more also tell me like. Oh no, like yeah, maybe when I go to the toilet and also until okay, no problem. Like
conversation.
Yeah, conversation. But once again, delivery, tone, you know, like yeah. Don't make him feel too shit. Because once again, sensitive, fragile. Yeah. But I need to be a baby.
namoni bino bopesi par exemple couple boza trop chéri bébé eza pe na couple msu na ota isa bino vrai pour eza réalité ya pe na couple msu o lobilo to koma loka ba camarade ba ba master chéri bébé boza nango mais msu pe vie master o mutu na ngai o ezalaka to ba camarade to ba camarade mutu na nga to vai na ye to sai ne ba
tembe. Est-ce qu'on a tout na colo stratégie? Est-ce que vie école ka?
Vie na obenga te ko de kalongo aboko ba master
linga mingi daddy.
Okay, I don't like daddy.
Ngasko daddy na linga ngo peti na trop fragile na daddy na boya ngo na ba mémoire mabe pa mutu na kina master na mo bo trop daddy daddy ye na na image mabe pona ba daddy sko ya babongo eza ngo facile to kena na biso mama milai te na nga besoin prepare le terrain te tofandika baby mikolo moi mbulu
It's true though.
oko tunasko neni oko na okoma kote ana te po moi elo mo bezo sala moi eta moi
mais moi balobi kaza fragile Syndie okina mo mabe
ya a friendship and she said so baza
ana est fragile
et pas si mo bien dans mobile no vie
okay
ana est fragile ngasko yanga no bege vie te po amukolo na ba divote mais ana est fragile mais dia to misanit to ba master to vanda ensemble dans tout ça là ngasko no kire mso system ke obi mikolo na okoma te po ene lo mo bezo stopper ngo funa mo ifoto na kino kana jipi mwene no kene
no it's good.
You know what? We need a man on the show because I want to know how
they feel.
Funa kino kana jipi po nga na solution peso te mais esengo nde ifoto lukira mo ba stratégie mo jipi mo ni toza na besoin ke no mlai te to luka ba stratégie
ba mobile na linga
ba penos balinga ba baby wanna teach
it's true so mobile na linga you know it's going to be one of them ones you know there's some men baza more proud yende maybe is eleka bien te mais so za mobile mo ben boza bien boza ba
to biso
friendship azo normal
oui et puis faut que na omoni makambe bele to pesa ba conseil eza photo ba ke ndaku ya na ndenge na ba milama ya bien na po ba tusu ba kanisa so abengi ya benga bébé belé yende ya bien ya bato ba benga ba bébé te ya bango nde mabe no za bongo te to komba master o anga kina na nga clair Syndie mikolo moni manzaka mo ya kina bongo mo manzaka mo ando tsaboe eno sanga mo ba bien so na tali yango kaka epesinga donc siko ngapi no keka liwana naza ezo obligé ka te po nga batuna nga yo za soda nga bite za soda te to aba master to koma biso ba master do e koma na ngolo mo très simple
it's the dynamic of your relationship
and that's what keeps it fun in the house ozo mo ne keeps it like
la tendresse
sko tendresse eza amuzombo bango baza makasi kotana ba yaka emona simata abetio emona simata afini wana ezanga na ngote bango sko ba makasi surtout na cuisine bango bazanga te na cuisine omona kana sima no ta osote omaka na litoi ta asui yo pe ozo ezala ngo mais côté wana pe toza ba master yo mikolo na moni baby si basuki mobo ando tsena ye neta bisanga yo le na linga ko ozaka na miso verte siko komela ka miso ya chocolat
ça faut songa la miso verte
on a songa na vert
si on a taba contact lenses but
no wonder
no wana siko ekoma na ya miso siko depuis to lingana na ebande na zaka dia na ba contact lenses ya miso siko na ndo ya nango ya vert siko na kokola na koma mona siko ba vert na mo lezo salo mukusa e monini na koma na siko ya clair siko azong sanga biyo na linga na miso verte okomela nga ba miso mo buka ba chocolat lokwaka basi tout
sinoza
siko so alobi bongo nga na ozongo pe mabete ozongo normal po to mesana po eza ba dynamics na biso elobi
siko biso ba poto when you're saying that to me you come mais na changea I've changed I'm not the woman that was that's not me I've changed isn't it like mobile ako reprocher te na
no ba na poto nyoso te
mobile lingio fa reprocher
par exemple so mobile ayebisio que là t'as ba contact lenses ya vert ou là ti okomi pick me
te Mobile faut reprocher, pour ça reprocher au test la ligne te.
Oh, come on.
So mbala reprocher au test la ligne te. Non.
Syndie n'a mon vraiment coupé si conseil bien. Rose, it's been a pleasure. Like we have learned so much. Like in terms of your journey, you know, the pretty privilege, you know, all of that. And obviously just how we've went into snapback culture and we've kind of understood the pros and the cons.
Yeah.
There are some pros. That sounds good. Mwasi kitoko, was on about opportunities, you know, but also like, oh, you know, Bali, ba camarade et tout. Mais ça pena ba nango.
Yeah.
You know, batu suko baba no landa opona ba intérêt.
Yeah.
And not actually getting to know who you are. Because I'm sure past how beautiful you are on the outside, you're also beautiful on the inside.
On the inside,
you
of
know.
course.
Guys, thank you for watching. To lingi to ye ba pe ba vi na bino na ba commentaire. You know, s'abonner na S.O.N. Make sure that, you know, or, you know, so s'abonner or mon attend the next episode et bima. Make sure also share na ba camarade, ba mama, ba tantine. Parce que to pe se ba conseil belé.
Yeah.
That means faut partager. Ba te belé ba yo ka ba conseil pour to changer. Place isaï mabe et ko malamu. And for us to evolve and grow together. And we'll see you on the next episode. Bye.
Bye.